The website that I chose to do this video over was called Grammarly. I have had students use it in the past, but I personally have never used it because I didn't know a whole lot about it. So you're going to create an account, and then it's going to say My Grammarly, and all of your work is going to be saved here in this area, and that way you can access it at any time. So whenever you want to create a new one, you're going to hit New, and then if you're writing it in another document, then you can copy and paste it directly over, or you can just type it right in this document here, because it does save to your account. So I'm going to write the dog ran away really fast. The free version is only going to show you basic commas. The premium version that students can go by is going to show you different things that are not regular errors, such as commas, punctuation, and capitalization. However, you can usually figure it out due to the yellow line if you just use some context clues. So this one, we're going to click it. It says, it appears that really may be unnecessary in the sentence. Consider removing it. So you can click it and it'll immediately go away. Or if you choose that you think that that word should be in there and you don't agree with what they're saying, then you're just going to delete that. And then over here on the side, it's going to say overall score, which just says my text is too short for what I'm looking for. It's going to say correctness looking good, improve the spelling and grammar. It's going to tell you your clarity, your engagement, and your delivery. You're also going to be able to set your goals. So you can choose your audience, general, knowledgeable, or expert. I just chose knowledgeable. Formality, informal, neutral, or formal. Then the free version only allows you to use the general domain, and you can choose a tone and intent. And you're going to hit done, and it's going to tell you based on these over here and your goals what your paper is looking like for that. So then if you want to go back to this page, it saves right here. If you want to delete it, then you can just delete it. I think that the ISTE standards that this aligns with is the 5C, which says that we use technology to engage in reflective practices that support personal growth and development. And I think that this program is going to allow students and teachers to reflect on their work and see how they've really done, and they're going to be able to fix it. And by doing this, they're going to be rereading through their work and understanding what they said. I also think that it aligns with 5D, which says that we develop skills needed to lead and navigate change and promote mindset of continuous improvement for how we can improve learning. And I think that this is continuous improvement, and that it's going to show you what you're doing wrong, and hopefully you can apply that in the next sense whenever you go to write it. And hopefully then you have learned your grammatical errors in that way. I really think that this is a great program, and I'm super excited to use it in the future and possibly as I'm writing papers, because this is going to help me in learning my grammatical errors. Thank you guys.